Nasyam therapy that involves administering herbal oils or ghee into the nasal passages to cleanse and nourish the sinuses and promote overall health. Anu oil and cow's ghee are commonly used in this therapy for their beneficial properties. Here's a guide to performing Nasyam therapy and understanding its health benefits. Choose a calm, comfortable space, preferably early in the morning or evening. Ensure you have warm anu oil or cow's ghee, slightly warm to body temperature, not hot. Lie down comfortably on your back with your head slightly tilted backward. Use a small pillow or rolled up towel under your neck to create a gentle incline. Steam inhalation, optional. Before applying the oil or ghee, do mild steam inhalation for 2 to 3 minutes to open the nasal passages. This enhances the absorption of the therapy. Administering the oil or ghee, use a clean dropper to put 3 to 5 drops of anu oil or cow's ghee into each nostril. As you administer the drops, close the opposite nostril and inhale gently to allow the substance to reach deeper into the nasal passages. Avoid swallowing the oil or ghee. Let it naturally coat the nasal mucosa. Remain in the same position for about 5 to 10 minutes, breathing gently through your nose. If any residue enters the throat, you can spit it out gently or gargle with warm water. Aftercare. Avoid exposure to cold wind or direct air conditioning for about an hour after the therapy. Refrain from heavy eating or strenuous activities immediately after. Benefits of Nasyam therapy: cleanses the sinuses, removes excess mucus and toxins from the nasal passages, helping to alleviate sinus congestion, improves respiratory health, clears nasal blockages, improves breathing, and enhances oxygenation, boosts brain function, stimulates the brain and nervous system, enhancing memory, focus, and mental clarity, promotes hair health. Regular use of Nasyam can strengthen hair roots and prevent premature graying, relieves stress and anxiety, calms the mind and reduces stress levels through its soothing effects on the nervous system, treats chronic conditions. Useful for conditions like allergies, migraines, snoring, and dry nasal passages, improves sleep quality, helps induce relaxation, and can be particularly beneficial for those with insomnia, supports skin health, enhances skin radiance by balancing bodily doshas and removing toxins. Precautions. Avoid Nasyam therapy if you have a cold, fever, or sinus infection. Always use high-quality, pure anu oil or ghee for the therapy. By incorporating Nasyam therapy into your routine, you can experience both immediate and long-term health benefits, particularly in maintaining respiratory, mental, and overall well-being.